Hey, what's going on, guys? Osman here. So welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a list. So all you have to do is go on here where it says list. So as you can see, it's already created a list by default. It says Osman Murabi, and then it says one contact, probably my own email in there, right? So if you look at show contacts, it says my name, Osman Murabi, and you can see here it says your free trial account has a limit of 1,000 contact. Okay, because you want a free trial. Well, the thing you're going to do is you're going to click on list and then click on create list, right? So you're going to name this your list. So the offer you're promoting, so in our case we are promoting OLSP, so it's going to have OLSP here, and then click on create. It already exists. Okay, so OLSP members, OLSP leads, for example, create. Show is doing that. So OLSP leads. So I'll just type OLSP new leads, right? So I'm not sure why I wasn't allowing it in the first place. Anyway, so here you go, and then you're going to make this default, right? Because everything that is going to go in there, like your subscriber, is going to go into that list, right? Next thing we're going to do is click on setting, right? So list title, so you're going to write OLSP new leads, right? Choose category. You don't need to do all this. We're just going to put education, internet marketing here, right? Language, English, right? And save general setting. Okay. Next thing here, you click on subscription, right? So here, if you want to receive an email every time somebody has signed up, you can just click on send subscription notification and you enter your email here. So every time somebody sign up to your list, you're going to get an email, right? And on the confirmation message, you're just going to click on save confirmation, right? That's all you need to do, and your list is ready to use, right? So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect this lead to your opt-in page.